Barbecue fam, today we're doing up a giveaway, a griddle from Monument Grills, the 56000 model. "22-inch griddle can be yours. You just gotta comment down below, hashtag hell yeah, follow my channel for sure, Monument Grills as well, their Facebook and their Instagram. Make sure you like and share this video. Very easy to do. A small channel, good odds of winning. A free stainless steel griddle? Oh hell yeah. To win this griddle, all you gotta do is comment down below, hashtag hell yeah. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and Monument Grills channel in their Facebook and their Instagram. Very easy to do. Share this video, please. It's the only way to get this out to do more in the future. And who doesn't like free giveaways? Oh, hit that thumbs up. You know it. You love it. Yeah. Free griddle? Merry Christmas from Hell Yeah Kimball's Barbecue in Monument Grills. What a great collaboration this has been. Share this video for many more opportunities down the road if we get enough views. So that's awesome. Hit the thumbs up and you will know the winner on the 11th.